Hello guys, welcome back. Jesus. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nat's Revive and Ride. I'm Natalia.
I'm Natalie.
And this is day 3 of working on this car to try and get...
Okay. Alright, so we took off all the bolts and so the camshaft should just come out. And then we don't want to drop this because it's very expensive and it will break.
Yes.
Ready for it.
What is happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I got an update on the 325i. I'm about to show you guys everything that my daughters have taken out, because since this is their project, I'm really not bumping in. If they come and work on it for 1 or 2 hours, then I watch them and help them out, and then I just relax, because if it was me, this would have been done a while ago. But I mean, today I was actually helping her. I bent over to pick up one of the tools for him. Man, I threw my back out, so I gotta be careful. But let me show you guys everything that they have done so far and what we done to come to the conclusion that it was the head gasket. So let me show you. All right, so far we didn't really need to take out the camshafts, but we actually did take them out because we're not sure how bad this car overheated. So we just wanted to make sure. Hold on, let me turn this light on so you guys can see better. Bam, there we go. So we weren't sure how bad everything was. I mean, we know it must have overheated because obviously the head gasket was what we figured that was wrong with the car. But we took everything apart just to make sure that we don't do all this work and then put everything back together and need to go back inside the engine. But I mean, it looks pretty good so far. First, we changed out the battery. Well, here's the cams. The cams actually look really nice. They're not that bad, which they're usable, so they're going back in. But first, we changed the battery because the battery that came with the car was the Optima, which are really good batteries, but it didn't have enough cranking amps, and we actually checked it and the battery tested bad. So we went and picked up a battery. We did a fuel pressure test. We still thought it was the timing. We took some of the covers off and checked it was timed. Then we decided to do a compression check. And when we did the compression check, that's when we figured out that like the three middle cylinders, they had like 40 psi when, you know, normally it's like 175 psi plus. So we figured, you know, let's tear it apart, let's take everything out and replace the head gasket. But my daughters are doing all the work, and so far so good. Everything's coming out nice and easy. We got to clean this gasket area, but everything's coming out nice and easy. So we're gonna clean up some of the parts. We still have to take off, well, they have to take off the exhaust manifold. Once that's off, we can go ahead and take the bolts off of the head, and we'll pull it off. Like that, we'll get to see the pistons, you know, do the little check and stuff on the rings, and maybe we don't have to pull the rest of the engine out. But I think so far so good. Everything's checking out nice. I mean, we have checked the bearing journals on the shaft, the crankshaft, camshafts. They look nice. Fuel pressure is perfect. We were pushing like 60 psi, which that's, you know, another check off the block. And we're waiting now because, you know, they worked on it for a little bit and had other stuff to do. But once the exhaust manifolds come out, we're pretty much ready to pull that head. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm getting anxious because I want to hurry up and get this thing running. But it's their project, so I mean, we'll go as slow as they want to go. But I thank you guys for watching. We will have a couple more videos coming out, and we'll just keep you guys posted. I'm gonna show you guys where we have all the parts, because they kind of took my garage from me. So I'm gonna show you guys everything, or the mess that they have in my garage. So as y'all can see, there's parts everywhere. That was a table where I usually do things to stay, you know, active and doing stuff. But there's parts over there, there's parts on that table. This whole table was taken from me. Like, I'm down to just this little spot here in the garage. This is just my little area. That's it. From here all the way back there is theirs now. So that's why I'm trying to help them and push them so they can hurry up and get this car running so we can get it out of here. But again, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a blessed one. Peace.